All right, we're eating bugs and prepared to leave Indigo Creek. What it's called? Oh, Indigo Neck hiker biker campsite. On our way from mile marker 140 to about 90. All right, we're going to hit the Western Maryland Trail today. It's not cheating, so there'll be pavement for, I don't know, whatever it is, 20 miles or something, and try and get to mile marker 90 from 140. Should be doable. I think we're leaving earlier today than we've left all trip, with the exception of Pittsburgh, when we were there at 5 a.m. from the train. So looking forward to it. It's also going to be 70. It was a bit chilly last night. Forecast said, I think 44 or something, but I think where we're at in the valley it probably got to maybe low 40s, high 30s. So we are prepared to hit the road. So smooth. It's almost cheating, but it's not cheating. There are a bunch of liars on Facebook saying the trail ends at the Fort State Park. So, and we're too stubborn to turn around, so we're taking the roads. I think I learned my lesson last time. Nope. Everything's hilly around here. Fort Frederick. Last time I was here, they had the doors open. You could see everything was all set up. Period, era correct. They're all closed today. It is a Wednesday and before season, so that's probably why. Still, I'm very impressive. Definitely worth a visit. Towpath is closed. So the towpath is closed here in Williamsport. Gotta go around. There's a detour right there. Doesn't look too bad. We're gonna grab some sort of dinner in Williamsport, and then it's another 9 or 10 miles where we're planning to camp around around 90. We're not in the hundreds anymore. They're really doing some work here. All right.
My only friend, the end.
Yeah, this is the end. Took a little road detour because of the flooding, and we were gonna camp at the 90-mile marker, but we figure it's longer to go there and then come back. That campsite is right before the flooding, so we would have had to come back to the roads up the hill and skirt around to get back on the C&O. So this was a straight shot from Williamsport to pretty much mile marker 84, and this is, I think it's called Big Woods. Pretty cool. It's a little secluded. There's the behind me now is the entrance there with the porta potty, and then this is the campsite in front of me. It's kind of just tucked away. There's some firewood here too. Pretty awesome. I think it's, what time is it?
6:55.
6:55, so right on time.
An hour from the restaurant, exactly.
So here's a picture of the river.
We do about 12 miles.
So yeah, I think it was 10 miles to here, as opposed to if we took it via the C&O, it would have been about 16. So easy peasy.